Oh, I need a ladder to get in this thing. Man, this thing's a far cry from my 79 F100. Bet you it cost a couple more bucks too. Nice truck though. Not even gonna try to pull this into the paint department. That way, we just run right into the back of their booth. Uh-oh, the rear camera is unavailable. That's because it's not there. Wow. Yeah, this is the truck that ran over a Mercedes a few weeks ago. New exhaust. New leaf spring. New rear end that was bent. Repair. New back door. New front door. One fender. The bed's getting a new outer panel welded on today. It's a big truck, it's nice. This guy really does not like the stick figure families. Nice truck. Oh, there she is, all painted. A little bit of dust in there, but this is getting a nice sand and polish. It's a brand new truck. It took 4 coats with it blowing air on it in between every coat. There's no way it wasn't going to get a little dust, and because it's a black metallic, I really don't like tacking off too much, and I'm buffing it anyway, so any of these little nibs are going to come out no matter what. The last thing I want is a visible hand swipe mark in the metallic pattern, and this thing's going to Tennessee when it's done too. Another one came a long way to get hit. And this was Global 894 clear. It's funny, it's a thicker mixture, but it feels like it lays out thinner when you're spraying it, but it really buffs nice, and you can go out a week or two before you buff it, and it just buffs really nice. A little dusty, but she buffed out really sweet. There you go, Jeff. Cooking video. That's zucchini with onions and herbs steaming away. And some marinated beef on charcoal. Can't go wrong.